So what is the difference between a continue and a break statement? A continue statement is used if we want to skip, for example, if we are in a loop and we want to skip just that particular iteration or that recursion of the loop. For example, the loop is going from 1 to 10, let's say, and we are at the recursion 8, and we have some condition and this condition is fulfilled and we want to skip that recursion. So this recursion 8 will be skipped. All the commands after this continue will be skipped, and the loop will go to the ninth recursion or the next iteration. So as you see, it just causes the loop to jump to the next iteration. It skips to skip the iteration. We are in an iteration and we see a condition is true or false, and depending on that we leave the rest of the statements. And what is a break statement? Now, break is, whenever, for example, we have a loop running from 1 to 10, we take the same example, we have some condition which is true or false, and we put a break statement there. So the break statement is going to break out of the loop. Let's say the loop has run from, let's say, to 3 iterations, 1 to 3, and the 7 are remaining. So this condition is true or false, and depending on that, we put break, and the break is fulfilled, and then we get out after 3 iterations. So that's, the control jumps out of the loop in the break statement. While in continue statement, the control does not jump out of the loop, but it just skips this iteration and goes to the next iteration of the loop. So that's the difference between a continue and break statement. So once again, the continue statement just skips that particular iteration of the loop or that recursion of the loop. But the break statements takes the control out of the loop, completely out of the loop body. So the break statement takes the control out of the loop body, and the continue statement just skips that particular iteration of the loop. That's the difference.